Hello everyone and welcome. This is Nikka Nadia. Thank you for joining the Intro to Belly Dance series. Today we're going to be practicing snake arms. So the way that we begin is we alternate rolling one shoulder and then the other back. So both of my shoulders are rolling backwards in space, one and then the other. Good. Then from there, I want you to let it flow through your arms as the arms begin to float up. So this movement of the arms dancing like serpents at our side is initiated by this rotation of the shoulders. It may feel awkward at first, so be patient with yourself. Imagine like there's space floating the arms up. Lots of air beneath the elbows. Arms are floating. A common mistake is that we initiate with the fingers or the elbows instead of the shoulders. So come back to the shoulders whenever you get confused. And you may start to feel a little burn in your arms. Let's go for a little walk around our space with our snake arms. Feel the floor under your feet. Take nice deep breaths. Feel your chest open. And walk the other direction. And then back to your spot. Let's flip the palms to face up and still rotating the shoulders one at a time as if you're calling someone to you. Calling. Come. And then let's turn the palms to face down like a cat pawing on a couch, pressing the hands as you rotate the shoulders. And let's bring the arms back out to the sides and back to our snake arms that we started with. This time, let's take them big and slow. How slow can you go? Carving through space. And then a bit more quickly so that they're smaller. And rest. Thank you so much for joining and learning snake arms with me today. I'll be back soon with more moves.